So by default, there is only one type of star that is enabled. So if I were to go around and click, then you can see a yellow star right here. And if I were to click on it again, then the star disappears. That is because there is only one star right here. But you can also go around and enable multiple types of stars so that you can visually differentiate between different important emails that you may have. So to do that, you need to go around onto the gear icon, and that's where you find the settings. And over here, you can go around and click on see all settings right here. So once you go around over here, this is what you have right here. And then now you can go around onto the star section right here, where if you were to scroll down on the general tab right here, you can see star is an option. And these are the presets that you can choose from. And right now, 1 star is there. I can also go around and choose 4 star, and you can see that now different types of stars are enabled right here. Or you can click on all star and you can see that all of the stars are here. But I can just go around and drag the stars down right here if I don't want certain stars. Or I can click on 1 star and we have the default star. And let's say I want to have another color of star right here. And let's say I want to have a checkbox star over here as well. And a question mark star right here. And an exclamation as well. So now we have 5 types of stars right here. So now I can just click on save changes. Once I do that, nothing seems to have changed, but we can go around, click on a star, and right now the star is there. Click on it again right here and you can see that is there. But if I were to double click on a star, you can see that the green star pops up right here. Click on it and it disappears. Triple click, and then you got the check mark. Click 4 times and then you got the question mark right here. The click has to be fast right here. It should be continuous and you would get the other type of stars right here. Double click right here, green star, triple click right here, and then you get the check mark. And all of them are starred now. So let me just go around over here onto the all mail as well, and then triple click this and you can see the check mark right here. So if I were to go around onto the starred emails, you can see all of the starred emails with different sort of stars right here, just like this. And that is how you can enable out multiple star options inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.